In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix Studio. Open your browser and head to wix.com/studio, then log into your Wix account. From your dashboard, click Create New Site. You can start from a blank canvas or pick a Studio template. If you're just getting started, a Studio template is a great choice because it gives you a polished, responsive base you can customize quickly. Before you dive in, take a moment to learn the interface. The Layers panel keeps every element organized so you can select and reorder items without hunting on the canvas. At the top, breakpoint controls let you switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile. The responsive grid system and the advanced design inspector give you precise control over size, spacing, and position. You'll also see CMS tools for dynamic content. Unlike the regular Wix editor, Studio gives full control per breakpoint, so use the device icons to switch views and fine-tune layout type and spacing for each device to prevent overlaps or awkward wrapping. Build your layout using grid and flex. Add a new section, enable grid layout, and choose how many columns you want along with the gaps between them. Drag elements into grid cells to keep alignment consistent. Grids make resizing across breakpoints predictable so your design scales elegantly. When you need evenly spaced items in a row or column, flex containers are handy too, letting you set direction, alignment, and wrap without manual nudging. Now add content. Click Add Elements, the plus icon, to insert text, images, videos, buttons, forms, galleries, and even CMS-driven elements. Use clear headings and body text for hierarchy and keep media optimized so pages load fast while still looking crisp. To power your site with dynamic content, open CMS. Create a collection and add fields like text, image, or price. Connect page elements to a dataset so your design pulls live items from the collection. This is ideal for blogs, real estate listings, portfolios, or product catalogs because you design once and the content updates through the collection. Elevate polish with interactions. Select an element, open interactions, and add hover effects, scroll animations, or entrance motions. Keep movements subtle and purposeful. Studio offers fine control over timing and easing so effects enhance rather than distract. If you collaborate with clients or a team, invite collaborators, assign roles and permissions, transfer site ownership when projects wrap, and manage multiple projects in one workspace to stay organized and secure. When you're ready, click Publish. Connect a custom domain for a professional address and upgrade to a premium plan if needed. Once connected, your site goes live immediately. That's the core workflow in Wix Studio. Start, design responsively, add dynamic content, and publish with confidence.